So Neha, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Aparna?
Yeah,
Aparna,
I'm on. Yeah, I'm there.
Kiran? Kiran, are you there? Saket?
Yeah, ma'am.
Rajesh?
Yes.
Harish?
Yes, ma'am. I'm present.
Indra?
Yeah, ma'am.
Shalja, are you there? Sona?
Yes.
Your full name is?
Twinkle Sona.
Twinkle Sona. Okay.
Yeah.
Arpit Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Adiba Nawaz?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Hare Krishna?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Basha?
Yes, ma'am.
Imran Sheikh? Imran Sheikh, are you there? Okay. Pamidi Palli? Pamidi Palli, are you there? Mohammad Zubair Sheikh?
Yes, ma'am. There.
Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Shankar Sachin?
Yes, ma'am. Shankar sir.
Mushraf Alam, are you there? Mushraf Alam. Mirza Aslam. Mirza Aslam, are you there? Sheikh Usman. Sheikh Usman. Salma Banu.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there, Salma Banu?
Yes, ma'am.
Salman Ismail. Salman Ismail.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Mohammad Wasik.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Jai Kishan. Jai Kishan, are you there? Jai Kishan. Okay. Mahendra Singh.
I'm there, ma'am. Jai Kishan.
Okay. Mahendra Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Sayyid Salman. Sayyid Salman. Pankaj Yadav. Okay. Mirza Aslam, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, ma'am.
Then who shared the link? Can you please inform me?
No, ma'am, I can't see the link.
I am asking who shared you the link to join the call, this call. You have joined,
Ma'am,
huh? Who shared you the
one
Zoom
minute,
ID?
ma'am, I let me.
No, I'm not asking you, sir. I'm just asking. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Who shared you the link, Shashank?
Akshay, ma'am, Akshay.
Akshat. Okay. Okay, I'll inform it.
Akshay, sir. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
inform him that you are joining for operation once.
Okay, ma'am.
Muhammad Zahar Siddiqui, are you there? Muhammad Zahar Siddiqui.
The facility, yes, available, ma'am.
Okay. Renata Sonu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. Guys, can you please switch on your cameras, everybody? Everybody, a request to please switch your cameras on. And please listen to me very carefully regarding the briefing that I'll be giving you for the operations round of interview. All the folks, please switch on your cameras. Everybody turn on your cameras. Salman, turn on your camera. I hope that I'm audible to you guys clearly, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Yes, you're audible.
I'm not able to hear you guys. Guys, hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Audible.
Okay, your volume can. Guys, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yes. I can use this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're audible.
Fine, then in case if you guys can hear me clearly, that will be okay. Just I'm unable to hear any of your voice, but maybe there's an error from my end or something. So I hope that you guys are comfortable in Hindi and English, both languages, correct?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
In English, I would give you a little briefing, and also in Hindi. Okay, so listen to me carefully. So coming to the operations round of interview, the very what do you call it? The round will be entirely related to your communication. How good are you in communicating? Okay, that is the first and foremost thing that they will check. Whether it is in English and whether it is in Hindi, both the languages play an important role. Okay. So keep your introduction as short and crisp as you can, as it will help you to to make the person understand what exactly you are looking for, what were your roles and responsibilities of your previous organization. In case if you are a fresher, make sure that you are providing your short-term and long-term goals when it comes to your self-introduction. Perfect. The very first, greet them properly whenever you're entering into any breakout room. Greet them and then go with your introduction. Keep it short and simple and little crisp as well. Detailed, not entirely detailed about the year and the percentage and all that, but keep it little short. The more you speak, the more easily the person will judge you, and the less questions you face. This is the pro tip that I would give you for the operations round of interview. So this is entirely for a voice profile, for domestic voice profile, as you guys are aware already. So as you will have multiple other rounds coming up ahead, and people might be into an experienced candidates as well. So keep your experience on your handy. What experience you had, day-to-day roles and responsibilities of your past experience should be on your fingertips. And the person who are a fresher, you should be knowing about what were you doing in your past education. In case if you completed BBA, what you have learned from BBA thing, what you have completed. If you're completed your BTech into any specialization, they will definitely ask you questions which is related to your education background. That you holding a BTech degree, why do you want to shift into customer service? You should have a valid and strong reason to support that answer, support that question. Okay. In case if you are working into any other organization, let's say Wipro or any other thing, they will definitely come up and ask you why did you left the organization. Do not say that because of हमको सही से पैसा नहीं मिल रहा था, ठीक है, टाइमिंग कुछ भी था, बॉस बहुत खराब था, ऐसे वैसे रीजन मत देना. Give a proper reason why you left the organization. That should entirely sync with your current profession. That should be very humble and a professional reason you should provide. If you have a medical reason and any other thing, that's again an exception thing. Yes, do provide them a valid reasons. Okay. coming to another thing is there is no bond or there is no contract right now in this particular position of process associate that you guys are applying for. But they might come up and ask you that, are you okay to sign a bond or a contract? They just want to check your stability, whether you will be sticking with the organization for a long period of time or a short period of time. Okay, so don't get hesitated or don't bound yourself saying yes for the contract. There is no contract. This is entirely for a permanent full-time job. Why they will ask you? Just to check your stability. If you say no, I'm not okay working I'm not okay for a contract for 1 year. The immediate thought process that a manager possesses here is the person might leave the organization within 1 year. I will not take that candidate. Think from a manager perception before answering any kind of questions. If you have a team and you have trained that team, you have kept your efforts, your time, and everything into a team to build it strong. And for example, he's there and you are a manager, and if I come up and say that I will work with the organization for 6 months and then I would leave, would you think that a manager will come up and say कि ठीक है हम आपको ट्रेन कर देते हैं और आप 6 महीने के बाद चले जाना, मेरी टीम को अधूरा छोड़ के और मेरे काम को अधूरा छोड़ के? No manager would prefer doing this, right? So think from a manager perception when you are answering any questions. Perfect. And all in case if the manager is asking that if you have any questions you can ask, please do ask question which is related to the process. Do not ask हमको सैलरी कितना मिलेगा, हमको कैब मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, क्या ये वॉइस ही है, पूरा वॉइस रहेगा क्या, कितने कॉल्स होंगे. Not ask these kind of questions. That shows that you're only looking for your own benefit and your own comfort zone. You're not here in Genpact to learn. So you can ask professional questions, which is like, how did you handle the team in COVID time? What were the difficulties that you faced in COVID time handling the team? Because of course people have 20-15 लोग एक टीम में होते हैं, तो आपने कैसे मैनेज किया कोविड के टाइम पे? आपको क्या लगता है कि अभी करंट मार्केट में एक एम्प्लॉय जब अप्लाई कर रहा है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो क्या लगता है कि क्या क्या क्वालिटीज एक एम्प्लॉय को पोजेस करनी चाहिए? Or do you think that I should improvise? इंटरव्यू जब कोई पूछता है आपको, तो आप उनको क्वेश्चन पूछो इन सेक्शन को. नॉट स्टिक कितना पैसा मिलेगा, कितना क्या मिलेगा और ये सब चीजों. ठीक है, ट्राई टू बी वेरी वेरी इंटरैक्टिव. एंड कमिंग टू अनदर थिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू ऐड ऑन इज योर सैलरी. The person might definitely check with your last CTC whether you are having what kind of CTC. If you have 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, whatever XYZ CTC, they definitely come up and ask you that what CTC you had. This CTC for this particular position, again, you will have a HR discussion again, and they will let you know what is the CTC that we are offering, and most of them, you guys will be already aware कि क्या CTC हम offer कर रहे हैं. In case the person is asking, अगर आपका हमारे CTC से ज़्यादा CTC है, please go ahead and say I'm okay with company norms, whatever the company is offering according to my skill set that or HR or you think that I deserve. I'm okay with that. That discussion is nowhere related to the manager, the operation manager. ठीक है, तो वो सिर्फ आपको इस बेसिस पे चेक कर रहे हैं कि आप जेनपैक्ट में किस इंटेंशन से आ रहे हो. पैसे के इंटेंशन से आ रहे हो कि कुछ सीखने के इंटेंशन से आ रहे हो. Of course, सबका primary motive is money, that is sure, but not portrayed on the table when working with the manager.
There is a phone.
I hope that
Certainly, I need to call.
in case any question which is coming with CTC perception, please handle it very politely and professionally. Also, anything which is related to your last organization, make sure whatever the organizations that you were working in, you should be knowing what you have done in that organization. It should not be like कि कुछ नहीं, बस हम तो सुबह आते थे, लॉग इन करते थे और बिलिंग चेक किया, हमने 2-3 कॉल लिए और देन हमने लॉग आउट कर लिया. This should not be the way. Professionally, counter by counter, you might definitely जितने भी लोगों ने experience candidate, whoever are experienced, you will definitely have your offer letter. Browse the offer letter, see what exactly were your roles and responsibilities or your key respective areas, responsibilities. He might ask you what were your KRAs in the last organization.
I just got a call from this number. Who's this?
related. Never defame your organization at any cost. जो भी आपका previous organization है, previous organization को defame मत करना. Okay, perfect, done. We will proceed with the following things. आपको one by one you will be moving to another, what do you call, another session, which is a Google Meet session. So we will be sharing you a link in the chat box. You just have to click on that link and move to the Google Meet session. Perfect. Anybody have any doubts?
No.
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If you guys have doubts, you can just put down in the chat box, because I'm so sorry I cannot hear you properly. Okay? So the way you look, the way you sit, the way you talk, the way you're using your communication, every single thing is in account. Okay? Chalo, all the best.
I have one question.
We can't hear you, Salman. आप जो भी बोल रहे हो मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. I don't know. There's some error, something issue with the, the sound. But you can just type it down in the chat box.
Yeah, this is only last round or else any other rounds?
I can't hear you. You can type it in the chat box. मुझे आप में से किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है. I don't know why, but in case you guys can hear me, that would be. मतलब आपने, I hope that you have got my points, that whatever the points that I was trying to say. This is domestic voice. In case anybody who is interested for not interested for voice profile or anybody such like that, do not say that I'm looking for content moderation, I'm looking for IT jobs. And yes, how many rounds are available to complete? You have to complete one more round. HR round you have cleared. Right now you will have your operations round. Operations round is with the manager round, and then you will have your one more round, which is assessment. So अगर आप लोगों ने manager round clear किया, तो आपको assessment का link आ जाएगा for further things. ठीक है? And very important, whatever degree, whatever you are holding, please get the strong reasons of your last organization, your educations. ठीक है? Why you left the organization, बीटेक करके कस्टमर सर्विस में क्यों घुस रहे हो, कस्टमर सर्विस के बारे में क्या पता है, UPIDs के बारे में क्या पता है आपको. ठीक है? How will you handle an angry customer? These are the basic things जो एक कस्टमर सर्विस में पूछी जाती है. You can browse Google and you can proceed with it. ठीक है? Done everybody? And do not say that recruiter have already given you the insights of what you'll have in your I'm just trying to make you aware these kind of questions you'll have. Just a briefing. ठीक है? ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि आपको कुछ पता ना हो कि आप क्या करने जा रहे हो. I'm just giving you a brief. Do not say that recruiter has asked us not to do this, recruiter has asked us not to do that and all that. ठीक है? Whatever you have, the recruiter will be there. Whoever had whoever you had with the first round of interview, they will let you know about the further proceedings, what are the rounds and everything. ठीक है? Done everybody? Chalo, fine. You guys can sit, browse, get a good knowledge about Google, get a good knowledge about Genpact and all that. Okay? So, all the best guys, all the best.
Thank you.
Very afternoon. Ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am, am I audible? Please respond.
Neha, are you there? Neha, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, if are you there, please raise your hand. Neha Srivastava. I'll be sharing you the link. Please click on the link and join for your interview.
Ma'am, sorry for the interruptions. I have few questions. Am I audible? Please respond. Am I audible?
If you receive the link and you are joining, please raise your hand once.
Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? प्लीज कोई रिस्पॉन्ड करो.
आलम भाई ओनली मैसेज, उनको नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओनली टेक्स्ट मैसेज.
Aparna, are you there? Aparna, please raise your hand if you are there. Okay, I'll be sharing you the link. Please join it. Aparna, please join and inform that you had joined. Neha, if you had joined, please text me that you had joined. Neha Srivastava, are you there? Okay, please join both of you.